Hello friend, today I am going to solve a problem is based on simple vapor compressor refrigeration cycle. So here in a standard vapor compressor refrigeration cycle operating between on evaporator temperature of minus 10 degrees Celsius and a condenser temperature of 40 degrees Celsius, the enthalpy of a refrigerant Heron 12 at the end of compressor is 220 kilojoule per kg. Show the cycle diagram on TS plane. Calculate the COP of the cycle and the refrigeration capacity and the compressor power assuming a refrigerant flow rate of 1 kg per minute. You may be use extract of Heron 12 property table given below. So here table is given. So first you have to understand what you have to given in this problem and what you have to require to find. So here is given evaporator temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius and table are also given, you can see here, and condenser temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and end of compressor enthalpy is also given is H3 is equal to 220 kilojoule per kg. So you can see here TS diagram of this problem. 1 to 2 is a evaporator, 2 to 3 is a compressor and 3 to 4 is condenser and 4 to 1 throttling valve. So here I am assume this. So now I am going to find COP. So you know that COP is equal to refrigeration effect divided by work input, and refrigeration effect that means heat supplied inside the evaporator. So you can find COP is H2 minus H1 divided by H3 minus H2. H3 already given. Now I can find H2 and H1. Then you can solve this problem. So now using this table I am going to find H2. So you can see here this one is a saturation line. This is critical point here. And here is vapor. Here is liquid plus vapor. Here is a liquid line zone. So at minus 10 degrees Celsius. So H2 is, you can see here this table, this is minus 10 degrees Celsius and Hg. So H2 is equal to nothing but Hg. That means 183.1 kilojoule per kg. Now I am going to find H1. So H1 is here. So now I am going to find H4. So H4 is given here. You can see here this one. H1 for that means is here temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and here is H, you can find HF. So you can find H4 is equal to HF, that means 74.53 kilojoule per kg. Now I am substitute this value in main equation. So here, this one is 74.53. This is not correct. So COP of the cycle, refrigeration effect by work input. I am already explained this. So you can write H2 is equal to 183.1 minus H1 equal to 74.53. You can also find, and H3 is given 220 minus 183.1. So COP of the cycle is 2.94. Now I am going to find refrigeration capacity. So refrigeration capacity, that means M into H2 minus H1. M is given, that is M is given is 1 kg per minute. So you can multiply 183.1 minus 74.53. So you can find 108.57 kilojoule per minute. Now I am going to find compressor work. So compressor work is M into H3 minus H2. You can see here, this is the compressor and this is evaporator. So compressor work is, that means m into H3 minus H2. So H3 you can also find, so is 220 kilojoule per kg, H2 is 183.1 kilojoule per kg. So you can finally find 36.9 kilojoule per minute. Then you can change in kilowatt, then you can divide by 60. So you can find 0.615 kilowatt. Thank you.